Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add money to Chime account. So as you see from here, the first thing that you need to do is to just open Chime app and sign in to Chime account. After that, from the bottom menu, you need to choose the option that says Move as you see right here. After you do that, now you will have this menu which says Move Money. You will have three options. The first option is to deposit cash. So using this option, you will find the nearest ATMs that you can actually deposit cash to Chime account. After that, after you find the point that you want to deposit cash through, you can just go to it and deposit your cash. The second thing that you can do is to deposit a check, as you see right here. And the last thing that you can do is to transfer money. So this is the most easiest thing that you can do. You can just click on transfer money, and after that you can choose a bank to transfer from and choose the amount of money that you want to transfer. After you do that, it's very simple. You need to just input the right information of your bank account and then you can actually transfer your money. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.